SciTech and welcome back to my channel SciTech. We're in today's video to do the CPU throttling test on the Realme Xon Max, but by using 5 different modes of testing. Yes friends, I'll try to use the high performance mode and using the gain space, using the pro gamer mode, and do not even optimizing the battery and clearing all the background processes. So these are the 5 things which I'll try to do during this time of testing the CPU throttling test in the Realme Xon Max. This is the exact model I'm trying to use, as you can see friends clearly. So before this video I did upload a couple of videos on the Geekbenchmark 5 and Antutu benchmark. So I did see the results got improved. Yes, so I did see the results. So in case if you want to know more details, so make sure to check those videos for the proof. So for the proof only I'm trying to show you friends, not for the views. In case if you want to know the Antutu benchmark test, and there's another Geekbenchmark as well, I think, yeah, somewhere around here. So there's actually proof it got improved. Yes, so same testings I'm going to do on this Realme Xon Max, as you can see exactly. And the software update which I'm running right now is of 8.16. Let me turn on the net so you'll be able to see it exactly, the software update what I'm trying to show. So 8.16 is a software update, and a lot of users, so they did ask me this kind of question, can you please do it with the CPU throttling as well, same type of testing, and they are interested to know because before, so the graph is not that great in terms of the throttling. It had some kind of issues as well, as you can see, the throttling issues. These are the things which has happened before, but let's see friends right now what will be the results after using this kind of testing. So first thing, let me go to the battery and turn on the high performance. It's on. And next, second thing, going into the optimizing and battery and searching for the CPU throttling, do not optimize, as you can see. Perfect, done. Now in the settings only, let's go to the next is additional settings and try to process manager and try to clean the deep clean. Let me do clear everything from the background. Yes, now let me click on the deep clean. So everything is completely cleared, as you can see friends. So right now we done this part, and now let's open the game space and try to add the CPU throttling. So into this game space, let me just search for the CPU throttling. Yes, CPU throttling added successfully. And now let me try to clear even these applications. Everything is completely clean. Next, use the 50% brightness, done. And I'm trying to open the CPU throttling. And now in the game space we do have the option which is a pro gamer mode. So obviously let me turn on the pro gamer mode, so which is a balance. Right now I'll try to set the pro gamer mode. So now we gave this Realme Xon Max Dimensity 1200 complete full potential to use. So now let's see what will be the graphic, what will the graph will be there, how much performance score we can actually see, and how much temperatures. So temperature is the main thing which we need to keep an eye on that. And battery, you can see 59% right now. And I started the test. I'm trying to use the settings of 100 threads and same 15 minutes. Oh my god. So it's kind of completely weird. So after using everything, after using performance mode and after using game space, everything I enabled to maxed out and do not even optimize the battery at all. Right now the temperatures are 33 degrees and 32 degrees, as you can see. Not bad, 33, and backs at 32 degrees. 33 and 32, as you can see clearly friends. But the graph, it's kind of totally shocking for me, I would say. Definitely it's not that great because you can see the CPU gigahertz as well. It's kind of right now 2 gigahertz and 2 gigahertz, 1.3 gigahertz, 2.5, 2.6, 2.6 gigahertz as well. So they are trying to increase and decrease. So they are trying to utilize to the maximum level. And 3 gigahertz just now one of the processor reached, as you can see, 3 gigahertz as well. You can clearly see that. So I'm not sure why this score we got less, but still it's kind of really shocking. So it all of a sudden it went down. So let's see friends whether this graph will actually increase or not, because we do know the Realme Xon Max in the beginning it will try to decrease, and later on it went upside. That is what Realme Xon Max is. But yeah, right now it again went upside when I flipped around. So let's see what is happening with this kind of graph, what is going on. I'm not sure exactly. So this top 4 cores are kind of maintaining exactly same straight line, and these are kind of changing 2.6 gigahertz and 2.6 gigahertz. That's what I thought of just mentioning. But right now the scores is not that impressive because we did get close to 3 lakhs even without using any kind of modes. So let's see what will happen with this kind of settings. Just out of curiosity only I'm trying to do this kind of testing friends. So that is the reason. Again I'll be back maybe after some time, maybe close to 10 minutes of time, so then we will be able to discuss it more detail. So what is happening, and the temperatures meanwhile it's of 35 degrees, not bad, 35. My room temperature is pretty low, it's 29 degrees only, my room temperature, as you can see, not more than that. Now let me try to keep the phone side again. I'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see, friends, it's been kind of getting close to 10 minutes of time. So in the 10 minutes, so one thing I can definitely observe that the graph, it's kind of maintaining a really same phase, same pace. As you can see, it's not increasing and it's not going down. It's kind of okay kind of graph, I would say. Let's try to compare with the before graph and now graph. We'll try to compare it, so you'll definitely understand the difference. So before, we did see the three colors. So one is the green, yellow and red color as well. We did see in the Realme X1 Max, but we are seeing only the green color. But only my problem is this performance number is got decreased. So right now 37 degrees is our highest temperatures. 37 degrees, as you can see, not bad. So I did follow everything, friends. High performance mode is on and pro gamer mode is on. Everything is on, but still it's kind of even battery also do not optimize. Everything I give full permissions to go on, but still I'm getting only 2 lakhs. I was supposed to get 3 lakhs of score here, but that's kind of weird. So let's see, friends, what will happen with more results next. As you can see, friends, right now we're getting close to that kind of 15 minutes as well, the mark. You can see the graph. So there is no yellow color, there is no red color, nothing. That's one sign which I can definitely say that there's no yellow and there's no red color during this process of demonstration. And let's see the CPU throttling, how much it can be throttle. That is what I'm going to check during this time of testing. So I'll try to compare now and before as well, so you'll be able to differentiate what is the graph I'm trying to talk. That is what I mean. So right now we are getting close to 15 minutes exactly, so let me try to keep the temperature meter ready. And right now the maximum temperature increased only 37 degrees. Apart from that, nothing. Only 37 degrees it got increased. 38.2, as you can see, 38.2 as well. 38.2. So 38.2 is the highest so far recorded. So CPU total up to 91% of its maximum performance, and we got the scores about not bad. Yeah, that's kind of really good. 2,83,000 and 2,68,253. It was really great, friends, using this kind of mode. It's absolutely working, and no temperature increasing and no throttling issues and no low performance. That's really good. I'll try to take the screenshot and I'll try to save in the gallery as well. So here's the gallery. Let me try to show you before and now. Before, this is a before, as you can see exactly how bad it is. You can see the colors and everything. It's kind of totally, as you can see. So at the time, the maximum we got about 3,11,000, 3,08,000. But the CPU throttle 73 and 76, and minimum, as you can see, 2,28,000, 2,13,000, and the average 271. But now let's check the average, 268, but minimum is 253. As you can see, friends, you can clearly compare before and now how the graphs are. So definitely I can see huge difference in terms of the before and now in terms of the throttling. That's really good in terms of keeping the stable, and the temperatures are also not increasing higher in this kind of mode if you try to use all this kind of extra benefits while you're trying to game as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick review on the Realme X1 Max using this kind of mode. And in case if you want me to test any other thing, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.